Hi guys, Edit Are You Cars again. This is our 2011 Kia Soul. It's a 1.6 CRDi Tempest model. It's the automatic. It's done 58,000 miles, 8 services. Really nice condition. The Tempest is the top spec model. So you've got the 18-inch wheels, the gloss black accents, privacy glass, reverse camera, etc. This is the second one of these we've had quite recently. The last one generated loads of interest, so we've gone and got another one. Managed to find what I think is a little cracker. You'll probably agree as we're just walking around. Proper cool car these. Great on fuel as well. Got the world's squeakiest shoes on, I do apologise. Got good, nice tyres all round. These are factory fitted 18-inch wheels. As I mentioned, it's got the black pack, and mirrors and whatnot. Not even any stone chips really to point out. It's lovely. I'll show you inside. Start with the boot. Even got the gloss black boot handle and your reverse camera just there. All nice and clean in the boot. You've got your parcel shelf and your boot floor. There's storage under the floor as well. As I mentioned, Tempest model. Inside, it's got the black cloth. Got rear electric windows. Height adjustable driver's seat. Again, all with the black cloth. All in very good condition. 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. Electric mirrors and windows. Fully automatic. We've got aircon as well. Stereo control, so multifunction steering wheel. Does have Bluetooth. I'll just start it up so you can see there's no warnings, etc. And the mileage is 58188. And as you see there, starts without hesitation. All your lights go out, no issues whatsoever. Your radio, MP3 and Bluetooth. It's also got auxiliary, I do believe. Oh yeah, just there, look. USB and auxiliary input. And yeah. Oh, reverse camera. This is a cool feature. This is your rear view mirror when you pop it into reverse. The camera is in the mirror. How cool is that? Anyway, that concludes the video. Give us a call, 01509 267 111, and get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.